Human geography can influence many things about a city, from the design of that city to the flag of that city. One important factor about human geography is the relationship with space and place and how people interact with their environment. For this video, the city of Detroit, Michigan, USA will be used as an example. The city of Detroit was founded by French settlers in 1701 as a fur trading post. Detroit's name comes from the French Le Détroit du Lac Erie, which means the Strait of Lake Erie. At that time, the strait referred to the St. Clair River, the Detroit River, and Lake St. Clair. Another thing to look at is urban planning. If you look at this map, you can see how the main streets fan out from the center in a radial fashion. This urban design has a resemblance to spokes expanding from the hub of a wheel. The first Chief Justice of Michigan, Augustus Woodward, came up with this plan for Detroit. After a fire devastated Detroit, Augustus B. Woodward came up with this plan, based on the same urban design plan that Pierre L'Enfant, the designer for Washington, D.C., came up with. And that plan was based on how Paris was built, with its wide avenues and the main streets expanding out from traffic circles, in the way that you would have spokes expanding from a bicycle wheel. Look at the city flag for Detroit, Michigan. Notice on the bottom left-hand corner of the flag you have the fleur de lis. It was a very common symbol used in France during its early days and in the days of the French colonial empire in North America. Human geography can shape many things in a city. Some of those things are very obvious, some are not so obvious. In Detroit's case, things like its flag, it's some of its urban planning, and even all the way down to its name. Some of that has been influenced by the French. You look at the urban pattern, you look at how part of Detroit has a similarity to how Paris was planned out. You look at the flag of Detroit, you look at the fleur de lis, you look at Detroit's name, which comes from the French for the strait. Detroit is not known for its French influences at all. However, if one studies closely enough, you will find that some of those influences are still there. And part of it has been influenced by human geography. This is the GeoScholar. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Hey, get back here. You gotta subscribe.